So the first thing that I suggest is to not do that.
Merry Christmas to me, baby.
First thing I want to do is thank Turd Bucket for getting me to put my bikes into my shed instead of keeping them in the carport. I will show you that footage right here. Okay guys, this is...
I'm not going in there.
No, don't do it. I'm just saying, this is my carport. It used to have like a roof, but it's collapsed because of the freaking snow.
I saved your ass.
Thank you, Turd Bucket, for telling me to put my bikes in the shed, because this is what happened. Oh my god, it collapsed. I'm not going in there because it's dangerous.
Super heavy.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go and see if I can get the bikes out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that carport. It is basically done. It's broken. I'm gonna have to get something new. But anyway, let's get on to the video and show you how to take your motorcycle out in the snow like a boss. Enjoy. So the first thing that I suggest is to not do that. Oh my goodness. First thing I noticed, I got snow that got compacted on the rear sprocket, and then the frickin' belt was starting to pop off. Oh man, this big pop sound. I'm like, what the fuck is that, man? And there's a freaking belt almost popping off of the rear sprocket. So I had to chip that off, and then it was fine. So yeah, don't go in the snow or deep snow where it's gonna get onto the sprocket if you have a belt drive. No good. That's why you have chains for that, for the off-road, hardcore off-road. And yeah, that was a pain in the ass, man, taking it out. But man, oh, it's so much. I am so glad I'm out on the roads, yeah. Yo, out on the roads, just enjoying the bikety bike. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh, this is not a very good idea. What are you doing? Bad boy. You don't do that. You don't do it. Naughty. So naughty. This is the benefits of motorcycle. When the freaking lane is filled up with snow, you can go in this lane. It's my bike lane. It's the bike lane right here, man. The bike lane. Yeah, that's right. What's up? What's up? Yeah. See you later. Woo! What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of my lane. Pick a lane, buddy. Get in your lane. Pick one, pick one, pick one. Do it. Come on, today. Do it. You can go now. Got to pay attention. So yeah, here's all the snow. It is melting. Yay! I love the melt. Oh, look at that.
You want to race to the light? Nice ride, man. You have to check me out on YouTube. Yeah, Joe Go 101. Yep.
I check it out now.
Cool, man.
That was a nice, I didn't notice it was SDR-RX, but that was pretty sweet, man. I always like those cars with the all-wheel drive. I like that all-wheel drive. Yeah. Go. Oh, do not back up into me. Oh, that would suck. Oh, that would not feel good. No. No. It's actually kind of a nice day. It's a little chilly, but it's actually kind of a nice day. So if you guys are wondering what kind of bike this is a Zero Motorcycles. It's their 2016 Zero FXS, and it is electric. That's why you don't hear anything. You hear that little whine. That's pretty much it. And it's got torque instant, man. So off the line, it's really fun. Only problem is it's direct drive, so one gear. So once you get up to 50, 60, it kind of loses that grunt. But up to 50, 60, it's all fun. All fun. Oh shit. Shit. Going shortcut. I don't want to sit in the traffic. Going to do shortcuts through the neighborhood. Man, it muddied up these roads, man. All muddied up. That is not good for tires. Oh, no good. No good. Oh boy. I scared. This is probably very slippery. Not going to try anything crazy. Oh shit. There, look at that truck, man. Those pipes though. No, that exhaust is humongous. Damn. What? Save the spot. Don't take my spot. I put chair there. It's mine. Okay? You take it, I kill you. Go. Go. Come on. Come on. So,
If you guys are missing Jasmine, she's right here. She ain't going nowhere. That's like my main bike. My main baby. Main squeeze. Whatever you want to call her. But, yeah. When all this snow clears, I'll be able to get her out of the protected shed. Because, taking this down the gauntlet is not easy. And it's the problem is getting it back up. So like I can take Eva here up and back pretty easily now, because of the suspension and everything. So until the snow clears, gonna be probably seeing a little bit more of Eva. But don't worry, Jasmine is here to stay, and you're gonna see plenty of her soon. Just need that warmer weather, man. My goodness. I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.